Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wished you could play Clash of Clans on a bigger screen with more precise controls? Now, you absolutely can. Playing on PC lets you manage your village and execute attacks with greater ease. Plus, you won't have to worry about your phone battery dying during a long session. It's a game changer for serious players. For a long time, playing Clash of Clans on PC often meant using unofficial emulators, but those days are mostly over. Google has introduced Google Play Games on PC, an official application that brings your favorite mobile games directly to your desktop. This is by far the best and most reliable way to play in 2025. Getting started is straightforward. Just head to the official Google Play Games website and download the installer. Before you begin, quickly check that your computer meets the basic requirements, like having enough RAM. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple on-screen prompts. It's a quick process to get everything set up. After installation, open the Google Play Games app and sign in using your regular Google account. Your Clash of Clans game progress, linked to your Google ID, will automatically sync up, so you can pick up exactly where you left off on your phone. You'll be able to use your mouse and keyboard for much more accurate army deployment and base management. So there you have it, the best way to enjoy Clash of Clans on your PC in 2025. This official Google Play Games platform offers a secure, stable, and highly optimized experience that truly enhances your gameplay. Say goodbye to small screens and limited battery life, and hello to a whole new way to conquer villages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.